This is the µWatch. It's the world's first fully programmable RPN algebraic scientific calculator watch. It's built entirely using off-the-shelf components. It contains a microchip 24F series 16-bit microcontroller. It has 64 kilobytes of flash, 8 kilobytes of SRAM, and it also has 64 kilobytes of external E2PROM program memory. The µWatch also contains some extra features such as an internal ambient temperature sensor, as you can see here. It also contains a serial I/O interface which can be connected to an RS-232 port on a PC for uploading and downloading of user programs. It also contains a standard IC SP microchip serial programming interface which can be connected to the MPLAB environment and the IC2 in-circuit programmer. The mode button down the bottom here changes through various modes of the calculator. One push takes you into the standard RPN or algebraic calculator mode. A second push takes you into the setup mode, which allows you to scroll through various options such as setting the time and date, which mode you want, and uploading and downloading of your user programs. You can also set the clock calibration and LCD timeout, etc. I mentioned before that the watch is fully programmable. It is in fact keystroke programmable, so it actually records your keystrokes. You can record up to 60 user-defined keystroke programs, with each program having 1,024 program steps. I'll demonstrate this now. Switch into the calculator mode, go into scroll through the menu, select the record function and which program area we wish to use. We'll use 00, and it's now ready to record my keystrokes. Let's do an example. 1 + 2 + 3 + 4, and it will also record your menu keystrokes as well. So if you go through and we say we wish to do a log of that number and we press enter. Now to finish recording your keystrokes you press the mode button. The program is now recorded. Now if we wish to replay that function, we simply go into the menu, select play, and program 00. It now runs and executes the keystrokes we programmed in before. The scientific functionality of the calculator is contained within a rolling menu key system activated by the menu button here. I'll demonstrate this now. If we type in a number and we wish to perform an operation on that number, you press menu and you can cycle through the various options available. Let's say we wish to perform a log on that function. These menu options here map to the function keys down here. So log maps to function key 4. I press function key 4 and the log has been performed.